Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix the clock error on MacBook. So first of all, click on the Apple menu from the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on System Settings to open it. The settings panel will appear on the screen. Now let's go and find the general settings. Once you find it, click on it to open. Now on the right side, look for the date and time option and click on it. Here, the most reliable way to fix the clock error is to let macOS handle the date and time automatically using Apple's servers. So turn off the option called Set Date and Time Automatically and verify your ID. After 5 seconds, turn it back on again. Make sure the source is set to time.apple.com so your Mac can sync with Apple's official time server. Now, if the time looks correct but the hour is wrong, then your MacBook may have the wrong time zone selected. For that, make sure the option Set Time Zone automatically using your current location is turned on. If this option is grayed out, from the left side, scroll down to Find and open Privacy and Security. Here, find and open Location Services. Make sure Location Services is enabled. After that, find System Services, which usually appears at the bottom of this list, and then click on Details. Inside this section, make sure the option Setting Time Zone is checked. This will allow your MacBook to detect your current location and set the correct time zone automatically. And that's it. This is how you can fix the clock error on MacBook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.